9-year-old boy was mauled by a dog in front of his horrified mom and had to be airlifted to hospital with serious injury. The boy was bitten badly on the arm after the family stopped to speak to a woman walking a giant schnauzer in Peterborough, Cambridgeshire. Cops and paramedics rushed to the scene and the boy was flown by air ambulance to Addenbrooke's Hospital. He has undergone surgery and is being treated in hospital for what cops describe as serious injury. The dog, which was on a lead at the time, was seized by police and taken to kennels while an investigation continued. The dog owner remained at the scene after the attack, which happened at 30 p.m. on Tuesday. Detective Sergeant Jason Huns of Cambridgeshire Police confirmed that nobody had. He said, "This was a terrifying experience for all those involved, but especially the young boy who suffered a horrific. Since the incident, he has undergone surgery and remains in hospital while our investigation continues to establish the full circumstances, and I would urge anyone who witnessed the incident to get in touch with us if they have not done so already. Anyone with any information should call police on 101. Quoting crime reference number 35/10751/21 or visit www.coms.police.uk/report. Alternatively, contact Crime Stoppers, anonymously, on 0800 555 111 or via www.crimestoppers.uk.